Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS bouncing button effect. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS creative bouncing button. Inside the body we want to add a div and inside this we want to type button. Save the file, refresh, the button is visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vh, width 100% and we want to add background color, that was #262626FF. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Display flex, justify content center, align item center and position is relative. We want at height, that was 100 pixel, width 300 pixel, font size 50 pixel, font weight is bold and font family is cursive and we wanted color, that was white. Letter spacing is 2 pixel and border radius 10 pixel and we wanted box shadow, that was 1 pixel 60 pixel and color is black and we wanted cursor pointer, overflow will be hidden. Save the file, refresh, the button's layout is okay now. Let's create div before. Inside this, content and display block, position is absolute and height 100 pixel, width 150 pixel, left will be 0 and background color royal blue, that index will be -1. Save the file, refresh, that's okay now. Let's create div after. Inside this, content, display block and position absolute, height 100 pixel, width 150 pixel and right will be 0 and background color is dodger blue. Finally, the z index will be -1. Save the file, refresh, the button is looking good. Let's create div over before. Inside this we wanted animation, anim1 and duration is 1 second, linear forwards. Copy this animation and paste it. This is after and this will be anim2. Let's create our animation. Keyframe and animation name anim1. Inside this 50%, height 30 pixel, width 30 pixel and left will be 90% and border radius 50%. Let's copy this animation and paste it. This will be anim2 and this is right. Save the file, refresh, the bouncing effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.